If I was a millionaire, I'd still be thrifty. I found some really cute stuff from Walmart. Like, they were all $10 or under, these items I'm going to show you. And they are so cute. And I saw some people that are not wearing masks. Let's get started with these outfits. I'm going to show you outfit number 1. And this is outfit number 1. I have my little ruffly shirt on. As you can see, just put these down. You can get it down to your shoulder if you want and just push the bra straps down or wear a strapless one. Whatever you prefer is fine with me. You know these strings that come on and it's supposed to help your clothes with staying on your hangers? I hate these. I'm sorry that... Hope that didn't trigger. Or you can just have it up and be comfy. And I'm just wearing some jeans. Yeah, just this shirt with jeans is just so cute, so fantastic. I absolutely love it. Let me get closer so you can see all the details. So here's how it ties. If you don't have much up top, this shirt is perfect because the way it ties in right here and then the way this cinches in really is flattering. So I give this shirt out of 10 a 10 for Walmart because it's so cute. And the fabric, like the sleeves, they're stretchy so you can wear them down. You can pull them up a little bit. It's a very versatile shirt. It is very thin. Since I am a human popsicle, this shirt would be great with a sweater. So we're gonna get to our next outfit. And our next outfit is this same shirt, but with these cute brown pants. The size is small, 3 to 5. These pants do have, it does roll way up like this. They're high-waisted pants. They go about a ½ inch or so above my belly button. But I have it pierced and it's really, really, really annoying to have pants over my piercing. So I always just roll them down a little bit. And they still look cute rolled down, like they're fine rolled down and nobody can see anyway, but it's more comfortable for me. So here's my second outfit with these pants. Okay, so here are the pants. I'm standing on a box. I don't want to break what's inside. But here's how the legs go, minus my ugly socks. Don't look at the socks. Okay. So I think that these are super cute. I love how they flare out at the bottom. And I think they actually match this shirt. So the next outfit is this same lovely shirt paired with a short little skirt. I did not get this skirt from Walmart. I got this skirt from Value Village. If I was a millionaire, I'd still be thrifty. If it's free, give it to me. So let me show you the tights that I decided to wear with it. So I'm wearing those purple tights. It's quite the contrast. Look at the design in these. But I wanted to show you what they look like. So here's that. Cute little purple tights. Yes. Probably a darker skirt might have been better with this, but this matched the top of this. So maybe in the summer, we take away the tights. But guess what? I got more to show you, so hang on. Okay, so as you can see, I have the sweater on. This is a size extra small 1. Underneath, I do have a shirt that I absolutely love. Check out these little buttons and stuff. It just, once again, if you are schmal up top, it is a shirt that accentuates what you have. Unfortunately, I got this top at a thrift store as well, so I cannot tell you where it came from. Once again, I've had it for over 10 years, but I love it, and it goes perfect with this sweater. So check out the sweater, since you can get that at Walmart. Super cute. Let me show you what it looks like with the pants. Okay, so there now you can see the whole thing, pants. So here's the back. And then you got like the cool long pants. Here we have it, the sweater and the pants. And I bought these two together on purpose because I knew they would be super cute. Alright, so the next outfit that I have planned is still this sweater, it's still this shirt, but I'm going to show you what those black fishnet tights look like with this sweater, because I thought, like, You know, it's got black holy stuff in it, so why not pair it together with some fishnets? So as you can see, I have this little gray skirt on. I love it because it has shorts. Once again, so sorry, can't tell you where to get it because I've got it from the thrift store. Like, here's the tights, nice little fishnet. I love them, they're very comfortable. Yes, the 80s are coming back, and so is fishnet, and I'm all for it. They don't feel scratchy or anything. There we have it. That is the next outfit. Now, keep in mind, I only got 3 items from Walmart, but there's so many different ways to pair these items together. So I would love to know what you think about the outfits in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got value out of this video. My name is Angela, and my channel's name is Ms. Angela Sawyer. I post videos about creative living, including furniture redesign, clothes, makeup, hair, beauty, crafts, ideas. If you're looking for anything creative, you will find it on my channel. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button. You know you want to. If you hit subscribe, you're gonna feed a kitten, and that would be really nice, don't you think? Because I have a kitten, and so you subscribing would help me feed her. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. Peace out. And you hitting the like button to push this video out to other people would actually help make my dream come true. So